Okay, sales proceeds. This time we are going to talk about how to get the sales proceeds. Now, sales proceeds is a part of commission under the lesson application and percent. Okay, now if you're going to read in the board, sales proceeds is the amount that remains after the commission has been deducted from the total sales. If we deduct the commission from the total sales, uh, what we get is the sales proceeds. Now, SP here stands for sales proceeds. PS for total sales, while C is for commission. Okay, SP, we have S here and P, which means sales proceeds. TS, we have T here and S, that's total sales. And C here, C for commission. There are two formula in getting sales proceeds. Now, the first formula is SP or sales proceeds is equals to total sales minus commission. Okay? TS here is total sales minus C for the commission. Okay? So all we need to do is just subtract the commission from the total sales and we get the sales proceeds. Or total sales times open parenthesis 100% minus CR, or CR here is the commission rate, close parenthesis. So we are going to use this formula if what is given is the commission rate, or CR. If the given is the commission rate, so we need to use this formula to get the sales proceeds. Okay, so let's explain it further by giving an example. Okay, we have here example number one. Let's read. Deepak is a car agent who sold a Mazda 6 for 2,155,000 Philippine pesos. So what is the sales proceeds if the car, if the company has given him 205,000 Philippine pesos commission? Okay, so in our example here, we are looking for the sales proceeds. So first is let's write first the given. Okay, the given here is the total sales, which is 2 million. Okay, so total sales is equals to, that's Philippine pesos, 2,155,000, and his commission, that's C, which is 205,000 Philippine pesos. Okay, that's Philippine pesos, 205,000. Okay, we're looking for the sales proceeds. So what is the sales proceeds if Deepak has sold a car worth 2,155,000 and the company has given him 205,000. Okay, so let's use the formula. What is the formula? That is sales proceeds is equals to total sales minus commission. So all we need to do is just substitute. So SP here, that's the sales proceeds, equals to total sales is what? That's 2 million. Okay, so Philippine pesos, 2,155,000 pesos minus commission. And our commission here is 205,000. So 205,000. And that would be our solution. Okay, all we need to do is subtract 205,000 from 2 million, which is the total sales. So let's do that. So let's do it this way. let's write 2,155,000 minus 205,000. Okay, so that will be our solution. Okay, just divide the commission from the total sales, or I mean subtract, or total sales subtracted by the commission. Okay, so let's do that. Subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, that's 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. No comma. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Now 1 minus 2 is cannot be, because 2 here is greater than 1. So 1 will borrow 1 from 2, and 2 will become 1, and 1 will become 11. So 11 minus 2 is 9. And bring down 1. So we have 1,010,000 Philippine pesos. And this will be our sales proceeds. Okay. So to answer our question, Deepak has sold a car, Mazda 6, worth 2,155,000. Now the company has given him 205,000 commission. So what is the sales proceeds? So just subtract the total sales with the commission, or subtract the commission from the total sales. And our answer is 1,150,000. And this is our sales proceeds. Okay? So let's have some more example. Okay, so for our next example, we have here, what is the sales proceeds of the house that Nita sold for 4,500,000 Philippine pesos if the company is giving a 15% commission rate. Okay, so we are still looking for that sales proceeds. But to answer that, let's first write the given. Okay, so we have here the given, that is the total sales, that's TS, is equals to 4,500,000. And we have also the commission rate. Given also is the CR, or commission rate, and that is 15%. So we are looking for the sales proceeds. So because what is given is the commission rate, not the commission, so we need to use the other formula, which is SP, that is sales proceeds, is equals to TS, that's total sales, times, open parenthesis, 100% minus the commission rate, close parenthesis. Okay, so we are going to use this formula. Why? Because what is given is the commission rate, that's the available given. Okay, so we have the formula, we have the given here, we have the formula. So all we need to do is just substitute. Okay, so let's copy here. SP is equals to, what is TS? TS is this 4,500,000 times 100%. What is the commission rate? That's 15%. So 100% minus 15%. So if we are going to continue that, that's 4,500,000 times 100% minus 15% is 85%. Okay, so to get the sales proceeds here, all we need to do is multiply 4,500,000 times 85%. Okay, so how do we do that? First, copy for the total sales here. Multiplied by 85%. And to multiply, and for us to multiply them, we need first to convert 85% here into a decimal number. How? Just move the percent sign 2 steps to the left, 1, 2, and put a decimal point. So 85% become 0.85 a decimal point. So we can now multiply. Okay, let's do that. So let's start from 5. 5 times 0, 0, 5 times 0, 0 here, 5 times 0, 0. Okay, comma. Now 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 5 is 25, 5 carry 2 here. Now 5 times 4 is 20, 20 plus 2 is 22, so 2 and 2. Okay, that will be our first partial product. And let's do the 8. Now 8 times 0, 0 here, 8 times 0, 0, 8 times 0, 0. Okay, next 8 times 0, 0 here, 8 times 0, 0 here. 8 times 5 is 40, 0 carry 4. 8 times 4 is 32, 32 plus 4 is 36, 36 and 8. Then let's add 3, so 0 here, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, and 5 here, 2, and 2 plus 6 is 8, and bring down 3. Okay, so where do we put the decimal point? 2 steps to the left from the rightmost, so 1, 2. Why? Because we have 2 digits after the decimal point from our factors. So if we're going to erase the 2 0 here, what is left is, let's put a comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. So we have 3,825,000 for our sales proceeds. Okay, this is our answer for our sales proceeds. That's how we get the sales proceeds using the given commission rate and the total sales. Okay, just use the given formula. All we have to do is just substitute the given. Okay, so let's have one example. Okay, so for our next example, let's read. The company Amy works with is giving 150,000 Philippine pesos commission for selling a lot for 4,110,000 pesos. So what is the sales proceeds of that? Okay, so we are still looking for the sales proceeds. Now to answer this problem, let's first write the given. Okay, so the given here is the commission. Okay, the commission is, that's 150,000 Philippine pesos, and the total sales, which is that's TS, 4,110,000. Now the question is, what is the sales proceeds? So we have the given TS or total sales, we have the given commission, and we are looking for the sales proceeds. So therefore, we can use the formula SP here, sales proceeds, is equals to TS, that's total sales, minus C for the commission. Okay, so we have the given here, we have the formula. Let's just substitute. Okay, all we need to do is substitute the given to the formula. So let's start that. Let's substitute. Now TS here is 4 million. Okay, 110,000 4,110,000. Okay. Minus commission is 150,000. Okay. So all we have to do is just subtract. So let's do that. Arrange the numbers vertically. 4,110,000 and align all the last digit. Okay. So that all the place value are aligned also. Okay. So let's subtract. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 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 Now 1 minus 5 is cannot be, because 5 here is greater than 1. So 1 needs to borrow 1 from 1 digit. 1 will become 0 here. 1 will become 11. So you can now subtract. Now 11 minus 5 is 6. Now this is now 0 because we have borrowed 1 from it. Now 0 minus 1 is cannot be, because 1 is greater than 0. So 0 will borrow 1 from 4, the next digit. So 4 will become 3 here. 0 will become 10. So we can now subtract. Now 10 minus 1 is 9. And this is already 3 because we have borrowed 1 from it. So we have 3. So answer is 3,960,000 for our sales proceeds. Okay, so that's how we get the sales proceeds. Simply just subtracting the commission from the total sales, or subtract the total sales with the commission. Okay, that's how we get the sales proceeds. Okay, so thank you for your time. Let's remember that the youth is the hope of our fatherland.